Houseplants help bring nature indoors and add life to homes. And if you don't have a green thumb, not to worry. Lucky for you, we have a resident plant expert, Rod Oshima from Diamond Head Plants, here to help us. And thank you for bringing in all the beautiful plants with you.
Thank you.
Okay, what are some advice that you have for people like me who do not have a green thumb?
Well, it's knowledge. You have to know each plant has a different requirement as far as water, light, wind, etc. So yeah, you need to ask the experts.
Like you. So that's what I'm doing. I'm asking you.
Exactly.
And different plants require different types of nutrients.
Right, because some are desert plants, some are jungle plants, so a good example is orchids. Orchids are actually a succulent, so you don't want to water it too much.
I think I've been making that mistake. We're going to talk more about some orchid shows coming up, but you have very different plants here. Talk about some of these you brought today.
Okay, the most interesting ones are the pitcher plants, the carnivorous ones. They're on both ends. They attract insects, and they actually dissolve them inside the pitchers, and that's how they get their nutrition.
That's incredible, just right in there.
Right.
Like little cups. And all types of insects?
Anything that flies in, ants, mosquitoes, cockroaches.
Ooh, okay, so bonus, if you have this there, you might get some of those unwanted pests that you want around your house too. What else do you have?
Okay, in front here is Tillandsia or air plant. It's conformed to a wood, so it's like an arrangement. So these are growing in the trees in the jungles. So late spring, that's all they need.
Those are the low-maintenance plants of the bunch then. And what about some of the hanging plants you have with you?
Okay, at the end you have tassel ferns. This is a new introduction. They come from the Malay Peninsula, Southeast Asia, and they're very resilient actually. They look fragile but very unique.
Do these do just as well if you live on the east side versus the west side, or are there certain temperatures that are better for them?
Well, actually, it doesn't matter because, Malaysia is tropical, so Hawaii is tropical. If you live on a seashore, then they need to be kept away from salt. But other than that, they're really easy.
What are some common mistakes that people make with their plants? Is it overwatering? Is that common?
Yeah, overwatering is a major problem because, people think that plants are always thirsty, but, like succulents, people tend to overwater succulents. Air plants, people tend not to give them enough because they keep them inside,
If someone wants to know more information, can they contact you and ask the questions?
Yes, a lot of people have been texting me questions.
Really?
Yeah, so, it's easy because high-tech. You text me the question, and I text you to answer.
Okay, well, do you want to give us your text number, or we can post that online as well?
Yeah, you can post it. It's,
okay.
808-542-9858.
All right, and I do want to ask you about the orchid shows. That's my favorite flower. Tell us about the upcoming orchid shows.
Okay, there's 2 orchid shows coming up on March 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. One is on the Windward side. That's the Windward Orchid Society at King Intermediate. And the other one is Kunia Orchid Society on the leeward side at Liliuohu High School.
There you go, on both sides of the island, and Rod's centrally located. You can also text him or find him here on Living 808. Thank you for coming in and sharing your wisdom with us.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
We have more coming up on Living 808.